Ever since Osofupenyi Agyinasare ekasaye efa bank sector se Ghana aye ye ho se ye de ye say yankasa ya de no our my example say banks are egugu no nanka ye betumi save banks no. I've seen a lot of people from the MPP communication team attacking Bishop Agyinasare nkofo bebre na akasa fa ne ho. In fact ama ende Agyinasare ene chema wuntumi kra chema wuntumi ba na waba beto bia ma Agyinasare na Agyinasare so aba be reply say masa obi antumi nya mehwio se mufi se mewia afie kra na me ba be sha ase na chema wuntumi aba be kasa Agyinasare kra no trese wone mbada oyese wo miemia mbato oyese na Agyinasare aba kasa o masa me de menye sada. Ever since I me worry over 30 years ago, me fa me yiwe chida, me fa ma number. Trese ensem no nini na ende asem na as a divert akọ different place, but the basis of the whole matter na say oye Osofupenyi Agyinasare ebe kasa about banking sector na egu no. Ono de wo feel say it sounds like banks no localized banks and now Ghana for any only banks no na nke betumi aye bibia ye de be save but pass ye go banks no man crofo ahwe wo mu adwuma ene nsensem bebre no ono Agyinasare hu ne say ade a endimboa. And a lot of people also have that particular notion. Now Kennedy Japan so adding a voice, but this one I will not say Kennedy Japan has attacked Agyinasare because the way Kennedy Japan went on the thing no wakone say as a Agyinasare nim de koso into no Kennedy Japan no be explaining matters to no Agyinasare. Into Kennedy Japan two scenarios. Or see the very first scenario no it's either say no Agyinasare no wo nim de koso between sa Ghana fu ya say banks no omo dia say enkrofo edi omusika ba beto bank a sebe yemfa ne say me mate bank na my friend the Melodies Bank na me obviously me Ghana ni na wo di usika ba beto Melodies Bank na me Melodies Bank me de do na me ma fa mu musika na trese me de to me japade nti asemo a Kennedy Japan kan no say saa enesi ye interna banks no na e was a president eba be gu banks no nti de Kennedy Japan kan say it's either say Osofupenyi Agyinasare wo nim de a course within banks no our no was just on the surface level. Our can say abanye gu banks. Either say wo nim sa ade na say bank for the crowd omu ye ni. And now say either say Agyinasare nim sa na so propaganda and now say adwemu bone e na wa sheda e de kasa asem no. Inti no e ma Kennedy Japan sha say wo within sem bia obehu ni say as far back as 2016 na trese banks ya bobo mudia na banks ya sebe yama wo mu egu no na dodo na edeka report aba etre say yes wo mu edeka. But you see the whole thing is member Kennedy Japan audio no na munya mu chi Kennedy Japan was speaking on Asempa FM with Obi and I just said what can same way na. But you see the whole thing na enkrofo entias and the whole thing na some people are also saying they said yeah Kennedy Japan e kan e wo ho ye who they say their bank for no they misappropriated funds and things, but their enkrofo can say to close down the bank entirely no ama it has even affected omo asebe they even don't have any hand in the operation of the banks in the sense and that me no can say yemfa ne say omo adwumayefo na ewo bank no because the enkrofo can say ade no yes bank for no wo mu isu sika ni bi aye nyama bi a eni kwan say wo mu di sika ne ye but to hwe eka e ba beda ho ene eka ya sei aye di egu banks na eka ya sei aye di egu banks ni kra so sen eka banks for no e de bae. So that is also another argument mimi susu say that is even the argument Agyinasare Bishop Agyinasare wodi free wan boso sa mo ba mimi susu say that point of view and na wode kan asema wo kan ye no meaning say the make no ate ase dia say yes bank ni de ne kre nkrofo etia no yes a reporter e ba ye tre say wo mu sika ne bi wo mu de nyama bi na ensem fata say wo mu di sika ne be ye ene de yasem a eda ho. but the empenyinfo no so eka ana the nkrofo so the critics of Abanwe eka ne say sika mo eka mo boye sika mo seye mo de gu bank mo ka say eka abanti ye gu bank no say sika mo seye mo de gu bank no sika ne kra so nsen eka na ebeda ho e wo bank fo ne ho na say nini na no sabi you weren't in the interest of the Ghanaian, of the normal Ghanaian na ebia wo lusu na ejuma no. Because if the assassin can now do bank na ka the share bank ne na kende ni pakra bank na egu a we lusu na ejuma no na ka still wo ye ejuma wo ba ye disikana say bank no me ni pakra ni tifie wo ni ejuma ye wo mo a wo musika na nse ya report bi ba aban minim say ya aban but the receiver aban eyi no eto ade na no e ba bonte be ka so omo ana omusika ewo banks ni na 96% of them have been paid. But in go for investigation aba be ka say yentro. Now one ka say 96% of them have been paid ne kra no. Asempa FM ya obi kra be ka say eh na me de bia nkofo fra me journalist say ka tra me say yenti omusika ye no. Won, inti clearly no obe hu say yes. People have still not been paid. Nkofo sika akem wo mo ana mu ye adwuma wo bank ni so ya pame omo nti asem ne de akoye nsensem bebrebi ba wo de yenkonko tie nsem akan Japan wo kan wo read document ni nsensem bi ngo tie no so mra.
Banking sector reforms ne nsensem a
America sem chiro Ghana fo a mu tie mi misram munya so na mu tie ni yi. I say that the banking sector, the greatest commandment of Akufo-Addo, the 10 commandments of Akufo-Addo, or banking, reforms, it would have come to a halt. Can you imagine what we inherited? The mess Akufo-Addo inherited, and now over twaso, omanya timely interventions, and restructure banks. What would have happened? The backbone of every economy is the bank.
Yeah.
Is the banks. It is a share. The way I know my collapse banks no Ghana ha. Now I will say it effort say Kenuforiata ebe take decisions. I change in your What you say?
Yes.
Now my brother government way or buy no a car NDC for abo egu ho. I mean banks no. Yeah. Me fan share NDC banks no. Abo egu ho a ene Akufo-Addo ne Kenuforiata ene yadibo omutri so. Mamin kai ahai kakra ma na meba. There were a lot of information, 112 pages.
And where report
report Boldest report.
Okay, Boldest report okay.
Nenka Reverend Ajina Sarin ain't am the buy. But I said that because me who said only details in so no I said that no way adjumboni. Okay? One report. I say several deposit investments were placed with UT Holdings Limited and not recorded as liabilities and assets on the UT Bank's books. The minutes of the first ordinary meeting for 2016 of the board of directors for the UT Bank stated that payments of up to 6.9 million for matured fixed deposits were made to customers who claimed to have had investment with the bank, even though those deposits could not be traced in the system. Payments were made following internal audit investigations. There is an urgent need to address this growing account balance. This is 2016. Reverend Ajiansari, yes, get your facts straight. It's unfortunate, sir. My good friend Paul Adom Ochri, I'm going to give him 112 pages of these findings for him to read. Now, let's go to Capital Bank. Measure that by next week.
For details.
Yeah, for detailing. I say by 31st December 2015, the bank had a cumulative 482.4 million of third parties funds which could not be accounted for from 10 institutions as follows. City Investment, 15.91 million Ghana cedis. CBH Securities, 16.83 million Ghana cedis. Capital and More, 128.99 million cedis. Ascent Financial Service, 171.4 million. No, Ascent Financial, 59.13 million. All-Time Capital, 171.4 million. SIC Financial Service, 17.70 million. Apex Capital, 1.36 million. Nordia Capital, 67.03 million. FCP Loan Repayment, 0.67 million Ghana cedis. Tactin Consult, 3.33 million. And the total is 482,441,000. Or say, the 482.4 million above was eventually structured as shareholders' debt with the permission of the Bank of Ghana, which 10 million has been paid by the Capital Africa Group owned by Atu Essien. In 2014, the board authorized a Laboni property worth 5.14 million to be given to Atu Essien. 2. The board of directors on 29 December 2014 authorized a bank to pay Atu Essien